Markets are a yardstick to check the mood of investors, whether they will invest more or will they tighten the purse strings. That is the metric that governments watch to assess the efficacy of their decisions. And happy investors mean that things are on the right track. And which is why the Finance Ministry today met a whole host of stakeholders, not only to make the FY17 budget more inclusive, but to also seek views to make India an investment hub in the midst of global gloom. Economic Affairs Secretary Shaktikanta Das interacted with over 24 top-notch foreign portfolio investors, including the big fish like Citibank, Deutsche Bank, Fidelity, Goldman Sachs, BlackRock and Nomura to assess their mood and to develop and deepen financial markets. Some key suggestions made include the need to simplify registration processes for FPIs, the need for extending the current 5% withholding tax that is set to expire in 2017, clarity on tax treatment for rupee-denominated bonds, and to enhance liquidity by deepening the corporate bond markets.
There were broad-ranging discussions starting from the operational issues, the registration, nitty-gritties as to what could be changed, what could be made more convenient for the FPI categories. There was discussion on even other matters relating to corporate bond market as to how to bring liquidity into corporate bonds.
There is issue with regard to the withholding tax on corporate bonds. So industry, has been asking for a more longer-term treatment of withholding tax.
The Finance Ministry on its part assures that steps will be taken in the upcoming budget to boost the fund management industry in India.
Since we are about 4 months away from the budget, some of the suggestions naturally are found to be very useful in the run-up to the budget and as a part of our budget preparation exercise.
Since the beginning of the year, overseas investors have made a net investment of close to 24,000 crores in equities and 53,000 crores in the debt markets. And now, with the government's definitive stance on MAT and the assurance to deal with upcoming issues in the budget, the government hopes they will be able to woo the top dollar. Ruchi Bhatia, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.